This isn't about beginner sewing, it's about what happens after the pleats are sewn. Foam choice, glue habits, and how you stretch the vinyl.
Mistake number one, overgluing the vinyl. The glue locks the vinyl before it has a chance to relax. On straight pleats, it puckers. It looks fine when it's flat. It fails around the curves. Glue is not recommended as a shortcut. It's a commitment. Mistake number two, wrong foam density. The softer the foam, it'll collapse underneath the pressure. You need firmer foam for supporting your pleats properly. So remember, too soft and the vinyl sinks, too hard and it fights you. Most wrinkled pleats aren't sewn wrong, they're just backed wrong. Straight pleats need support. They don't need to be squishy. Mistake number three, stretching in the wrong direction. When you stretch across the pleats going sideways, you'll get some wrinkles and then your stitch line will start going off and it won't stay straight. When you stretch lengthwise going down, and not real stretch, just a little bit taut, it'll turn out a lot smoother. So the vinyl stretches, that's what you have to remember, just not the way people pull it. You got to let the pleats float around and stretch around them, not through them. When done correctly and you use the right type of foam, you get a much better indention in your sewing and it comes out a lot better. I think it just has a much better feel than the flatter stuff. Like this has no oomph like that does. This 1/4 inch right here, that doesn't have any depth like this one does, this 1/2 inch. And then again, this one where I glued the foam to the vinyl, it still has wrinkles in it that haven't really come out because I just think they're now formed into the vinyl with the glue. I mean, formed into the foam as well. So that's why I'll always be a firm believer to use good foam and not to glue it, because as you can see, even with these wave patterns right here, I didn't glue any of this in. I just set it down and kept it straight and sewed it down.
Fix these 3 things and your pleats will lay flat without fighting you. In the next video, I'll show you when glue actually is needed, because sometimes it is.